Here we have limit as x approaches 1, cube root of x minus 1 over x minus 1. And if we substitute 1 for x, this limit is equal to 0 over 0, right? So we're going to have to rationalize this expression, right? Since a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared is equal to a cubed minus b cubed, we're going to multiply by both the numerator and denominator square of this. So cube root x squared plus this times this, which is cube root x plus 1 squared, which is 1, right? And the same thing on denominator, cube root x plus 1 squared. So using this formula right here, this expression times this is equal to a cubed minus b cubed. This expression times all of this expression is equal to cube root x cubed minus 1 cubed. So that is equal to limit as x approaches 1, we have cube root of x cubed minus 1 cubed. And for denominator, we have x minus 1 times cube root x squared plus cube root x plus 1, right? So this is equal to limit as x approaches 1. This is just x minus 1, and we have x minus 1 cube root x squared plus cube root x plus 1, right? This factor x minus 1 cancels out. And if we substitute 1 for x, then that's going to be equal to 1 over cube root 1 squared, that's 1, right? 1 plus cube root 1, 1 plus 1, so that's 1 over 3, right? So the answer is 1 over 3.